As non-communicable diseases, NCDs, continue to affect countless Solomon Islanders, experts are exploring effective strategies to combat the issue. Last week, the Solomon Islands National University hosted the Pacific Island Food Revolution seminar, bringing together students, staff, and members of the public to discuss how Indigenous foods and knowledge can help fight NCDs in the country. Award-winning chef and founder of the Pacific Island Food Revolution, Robert Oliver, was the key presenter at the event. Speaking to SIBC TV from New Zealand, Oliver shares more insight into the event and his work with SINU.
I was invited by Dr. Transform Angarau and Dr. Edgar Pollard. And Dr. Pollard is the director of the Centre for Island Futures, which is a subsidiary of SINU. And I was really, I've been corresponding with both gentlemen for some time. There's a real alignment in the way that we think in terms of Pacific solutions for Pacific problems, the Indigenous ideologies being the way forward for the future, not just for the Pacific, but for the world, actually. Centre for Island Futures is developing modules around, I guess you'd say education, but also development in terms of how do we address the challenges facing our islands. And the food piece is big because food intersects not just with what you eat intersects with climate change, health, but also tourism brand, biodiversity, culture and heritage. It intersects with all those sectors.
Oliver also took part in the inaugural Solomon Island Food Systems Council meeting, an initiative developed by Dr. Edgar Pollard, director of the Centre for Islands Futures.
So we had a meeting, an inaugural meeting, really to get to know each other, and I was super impressed at that. And then at a masterclass that we had the following day, hosted by myself and Dr. Gillian Tutua, around the quality of leadership in the Solomon Islands, in farming, in health, in all those places that food plays, all those parts of the food system. There's really incredible leadership there. And at both of these meetings, I felt the real love of the people attending for their islands, for their people. And you can do magic with that. That's where change happens. That's where movements emerge from, is love and a love of community. So I left the Solomon Islands really inspired and really keen to work with the Centre for Island Futures.
He encouraged young Solomon Islanders to utilize their digital skills to promote Indigenous cuisine and healthy food options.
I would say young people who are much better at social media than older people like me are, we need you. We need you to be creating these, beautiful, exciting images and messages around your food. And it's in your hands. I think all of us guys who are a couple of generations older can support that kind of effort. And I just the 2 or 3 people that I've met in the Solomons who are doing media are really good at it, and they've got great followings and stuff. So the appetite is there. We can do this. It's not impossible. It's delicious. It's fun. It's who you are. You don't need to change anything. You can actually be the change.